Hey guys, I don't want to tell you this, but there's some bad news. Remember the Cool Beans Railway I was going to make? Well, unfortunately, it's gone. How am I supposed to play it? Probably Speedskit was decided to close Cool Beans Railway. I'm very sad. I wish I could play it again, but since it's an old game, I can't play it anymore. So I'm very sorry to say, rest in peace, Cool Beans Railway. If you check some other games, they were private too. So one day maybe they're going to open soon. I'm very sorry, Cool Beans Railway 3. I'm sorry. Well, I can play Cool Beans Railway 3, but I might do something out for Soul Dwarf Fallout. Do you know who it is? I can't tell. Do you?